What's good, guys? Vlogging time again. Just on a quick trip, me and the girl to Barcelona for a couple days. We ain't been in holiday for the longest since we bought the crib. Annual leave and all that has just been messed up, so it's not happened, but managed to figure out a quick trip, so we are on the way. Enjoy this little vlog. Off to Barcelona. Looking forward to it?
Very much so.
Much needed holiday, eh?
Can't wait.
Yeah. In our seats, ready to go. Sitting together. Happy days. This mango is buff. €2, probably overpriced, but taste. Just had a quick walk around the area. I think it's Barcelona, kind of, just back there. On the map it seemed like the W hotel was well closer, but it's not.
So far away.
It's like mad far down there. The guy said it's like 20-minute walk, 4 minutes in the taxi or something like that, so head back to the hotel and go there later. But so far so good. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm really enjoying it.
Thank God the rain stopped as well, eh?
No.
This can be my second time trying out paella. First time, didn't love it. Hopefully this time is good. Currently down, God knows where, got lost 3 times already. Trying to find this place, 24 Kilates. Heard about it before, struck from it, but never actually been to it, so that's the hunt right now. Finally found it, finally.